tell me we're over, 'cause I've been losing my composure. Say if we're